Find the radius of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. So we'll assume the radius to be a variable. We'll take it as r. So 4 pi r square it is given, it is equal to 154. That is the surface area is equal to 154. So r square is coming as 49 by 4. And when you take the square root of that, r will come as 3.5 centimeter. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Find the ratio of the surface areas. So here we will assume the diameter of the earth to be d. D is any variable, and diameter of the moon, it is given, it is 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. So that means it will be d by 4. So d is diameter of earth and d by 4 is diameter of the moon. This is according to the given statement. Now what will be radius? Because for surface area formula, we have to put the value of radius. So radius of earth will be d by 2 and radius of the moon will be half of d by 4. That is d by 8. So these are the radii. Radius of the earth, radius of the moon. Now you can find surface area of the moon in terms of d and surface area of the earth also in terms of d. So surface area of the moon will be 4 pi into d by 8 the whole square, and surface area of the earth will be 4 pi into d by 2 the whole square. Now since you have to find the ratios, you have to keep one in the numerator, other in the denominator and divide. So it will be like this: 4 pi into d by 8 square divided by 4 pi into d by 2 square. So here 4 pi and 4 pi will get cancelled. Also the d square term will get cancelled, and this will go in the numerator when you take the reciprocal. So 4 by 64 or 1 by 16. So ratio of the surface area will be 1:16. A hemispherical bowl is made of steel 0.25 centimeter thick. The inner radius of the bowl is 5 centimeter. Find the outer curved surface area of the bowl. So it is having a certain thickness. This is how the bowl looks like. This is the slight thickness is there over here. You have to find the outer curved surface area, but you have been given the inner radius as 5 centimeter. This is 5 and the thickness is 0.25. So the outer radius will be 5 plus 0.25, that is 5.25 centimeter. So this is the outer radius. So with the outer radius, you can find the outer curved surface area, that is 2 pi r square. In that, r value will be substituted as 5.25 whole square. So this will be the answer, 173.25 centimeter square. A right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. So this is how the figure looks like. There is a cylinder and inside that there is a sphere such that the sphere touches the top of the cylinder. It exactly encloses the cylinder. Surface area of the sphere, you have to find these things: surface area of the sphere, curved surface area of the cylinder, and ratio of the areas obtained in 1 and 2. So for surface area of the sphere, now obviously r value is not given, so you will take it as a variable only. So it will be 4 pi r square. This is the radius r. Now this entire height of the cylinder will be r plus r, that is 2r. That will be the height of the cylinder. So 2r is the height of the cylinder and r is the radius of the cylinder. So CSA of the cylinder formula is 2 pi r h. So in that you can put h as 2r. So 2 pi r into 2r. So it will be again 4 pi r square. So CSA of cylinder and of the sphere both are coming as 4 pi r square. So the ratio of the areas that are obtained in 1 and 2 will be 4 pi r square by 4 pi r square, that is 1:1. So 4 pi will also be here, 4 pi r square by 4 pi r square. So it will be 1:1.